Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Vicky and today we will be doing 3 vegan recipes. I'm a proud vegetarian for about 3 years. I have not eaten meat in 3 years, but I would love to be vegan, but I can't do it yet. I don't find myself having enough time to be cooking and everything every single day. Like sometimes I would just, let's say, sandwich with cheese or something because it's the fastest for me to do for school. But if like I don't drink milk, I hate eggs, I don't eat eggs, I just eat cheese sometimes if it's like on a quick go and I don't have anything else. But yeah, that's it, and I would love to be vegan. I tried 2 times already to be vegan, didn't really go well, but I am trying my best, which is we will be doing 3 recipes, as I said, 1 for breakfast, 1 for lunch and 1 for dinner. They are healthy and they are so delicious. Trust me on this, they are so delicious. I'm that kind of person that's lazy and I don't have time to do anything, so these recipes are perfect if you're lazy, you don't have time, you just hate cooking maybe, and maybe if you want to be a little bit more healthier and be more conscious about what you are eating, this is the video for you. Look at him. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. What it is. Can you actually make your dog vegan? Basically, this video is all about making awareness about veganism and the treatment of animals. This video is also about just being conscious about our environment and what is happening to it right now. I shouldn't be worrying about my environment dying and, you know, climate change, when I should be worrying about school and doing my leaving cert, when I actually have to worry about my environment and what I do. So this is kind of environmentally friendly as well, you know, with veganism, and I try to buy as much plastic free things as I can just to be aware of those things. But yeah, let's get cooking.
to eat that watch.
Yeah.
Right then, we're gonna eat the watch.
Hey, give me that! It's on, you bastards, don't take a bite. Look what you're doing. Oh, look at the camera's all wonky now because you leave it. Stop! Look at this beautiful vegan burger. That's a good burger. The cheese isn't that bad. Melted. Actually tastes like cheese. Oh. It does taste like cheese when it's melted. Wow. It's good though. Stop! Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and comment down below and put your thumbs up. Bye!